Hello, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, Google Chrome works for your comfort and convenience with AI. This week, there's a lot of people upset that Google's Chrome web browser happily downloads a 4 GB AI model for everyone. The model is called Gemini Nano, which is a smaller, distilled version of the big Gemini. This model's been around for years, and it's a well-known part of Google's AI nonsense. The first version showed up in Google Pixel phones at the end of 2023. Google put it into the desktop version of Chrome in 2024. It's just this week it's been widely publicized and finally getting the backlash it deserves. Gemini Nano was only 1.5 gigabytes in mid-2024. I expect they made it bigger so it would suck a bit less, but it's a problem for small systems. You can supposedly get rid of the AI model on your Android phone by setting on-device AI to off. On desktop, it's a file called weights.bin. If you delete the 4 gig of model weights, it comes back. Chrome downloads it again. So if you want to disable the model entirely on desktop, you can set an option flag in the browser, but reports are it mostly doesn't work. On Windows, there's a registry key you can set. Registry is a good way to break everything, so I'll put the details in the blog post version of this episode. On Windows or Mac, you can replace the weights.bin file with a 0-byte file that you lock against writing, so it can't download a fresh copy on top. Also, lock the folder it's in, opt guide on device model, and lock the folder that's in. This seems to work. Linux users, I could not find weights.bin in Chromium on my own PCs, so maybe we're lucky. Also, if you can, stop using Chrome. Firefox for Android works great, and it also works with the good ad blockers. If you really need a Chrome-alike, just use Vivaldi. They strip out as much of Google's awful stuff as they can. Vivaldi's been keeping out the forced AI model since they first spotted it. I do not recommend Brave. It comes with an AI as well, and it's run by weird crypto bros. Brave is the browser for InfoSec mall ninjas who never shut up. I disrecommend Brave. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please do send this episode to the Chrome browser user in your life, which will be a lot of people. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube, leave a nice review in your podcast app, and most of all, keep Pivot to AI going. Send $5 to the Patreon linked in the show notes. It really helps. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.